letter series by Raj Antyakula. Letter values. How you can remember the letter values? So we can easily remember the first 5 letters. Simply A value is 1, B 2, C 3, D 4, E 5. Now how we can find the value of F? Okay. Now by taking a rhyming 6 and fix, 6 fix, 6 fix, we can remember like that. Now coming to G, how you can remember the value of G? G value, generally when you write G, you can write like this. Okay, so G value resembles like 7, or else you can remember a movie called 7 by G Brindavan Colony. So by remembering that movie, you can say that the value of G is 7. Now coming to H, the value of H is 8. So you can remember by rhyming H 8, height 8, height 8, height 8. Now coming to I, how you can remember the value of I? See, when you are in childhood, how you used to write I used to write this. Okay, but keep on writing like this, the I resembles like 9. So the value of I is 9. Now J, see, there are 5 letters where you can easily remember that. So E J T, E J O T Y, E J T. So these are nothing but E value 5, J value 10, O value 15, T value 20, Y value 25. So likewise you can remember the value of J. J value is 10. So E J T, E value 5, J value 10, O value 15, T value 20, and Y value 25. K, you can remember like this, Kings 11 Punjab. Kings starts with K, 11. So Kings 11 Punjab is 11. Or else imagine a pole, 2 poles are like this. If you hit or give a punch here, okay, this will become like this. So that 11 will become K. Okay, so K value is 11. Now coming to here, L, value of L is 12, L 12, L 12, L 12. By rhyming you can remember that L value is 12. Now coming to here, M, how we can remember the value of M? Actually there is a dispute between M and W. Why they are having that argument means because both resembles like 3. They are discussing, they are arguing who will take the 3. Now what happens is, see how we can remember this. M resembles like a 3 as well as W also resembles like 3, right? Which will come first? M will come first. So M is first 3, W is second 3. So the value of M is 13 and the value of W is 23. Is it clear? N, how we can remember the value of N? N, November 14. Remember the month November, November 14, N value 14. Already we did. O value is 15. Now how we can remember the value of P? Look at here carefully. Esther's Year actress named Sri Devi. She is a very famous actor, Sri Devi. Okay, whenever you recall about Sri Devi, they recall in any news channel, they will show a song called Sirimalle Puva. Okay, that movie, that song is from movie Padaharella Vaisu. Okay, Sridevi acted in a movie called Padaharella Vaisu. Padaharu Ella Vaisu. Okay, now, so Padaharu means 16. Padaharu is 16. P value is 16. While she was acting in that movie, her age is 19. Sridevi's age is 19 while she was acting in that movie. So Sridevi starts with S. S value is 19. Okay. Now, how you can remember the value of R? Look at here carefully. R in Telugu we call it as, let us say, king. We call Telugu Raju. Okay, Raju. Raju means king. To become a Raju, one must have an age of 18 years. Okay, 18 years. Raju. So R value is 18. To become a king, so one must have 18 years. So Raju, R value is 18. So Q, queen. Queen must be 1 year less than the Raju. Okay, queen must be 1 year less than the Raju. So Q value is 17. Now coming to here, T. Already we did here 20, or else you can recollect the T20 cricket format. T20. Okay. Now U. What is the value of U? Now youth. generally youth begins with the is 21. So U 21. U value is 21. Now coming to V, how you can remove the value of V? Simple. Whenever any politician won in a election, they show a symbol, victory symbol, and the they wave their hand for 2 times. So you can say that V value is 22 because they are waving, showing symbol V and waving their hands 2 times. So 22. X value is last 3 letters, easily you can remember. X value 24, Y value 25, and Z value is 26.